Nearly every street in Marquette was filled with green and yellow today as thousands of students past and present made the trip home to NMU. Most of the former Wildcats packed into the Landmark Inn to reacquaint themselves with some once familiar faces. Everyone was welcome to their fair share of food and drink, but it was a particularly special occasion for the class of 1963. It's been 50 years since they walked across the stage, but for many of the alumni, it seems like yesterday.
Oh, it's fantastic. We're seeing people that we haven't seen in 50 years. Some dear friends and some lifelong memories that we're reliving. We're reshaping those memories just a little bit to clean them up. And at this point in time, after 50 years or so, we may not see much of each other in the future. So I think that gives all of us some impetus to try and make it to Marquette. But other than that, we're having a fantastic time.
Bob and his NMU crew made their way over to the steps of the Peter White Public Library to commemorate the occasion with a class picture that will live on for years to come.